how to turn customer into your brand advocates. You are leading the wrong path if you are a businessman and focusing solely on sales and business development. The key success in the long run is customer centricity. This video will help you to ace in customer centricity. That in turn would definitely make your business stand out in the crowd. Hi, I am Sri Mitra from Innofite, and today I am going to discuss why being customer centric is so important for your business. Before I go deep into the discussion, I would request you to subscribe to our channel if you are enthusiastic about product design and development, startups, and entrepreneurship. We discuss a lot of problems and solutions in the tech world and how it can solve your business problems. We also send a lot of free giveaways like ebooks, templates, worksheets to our subscribers regularly. So let's continue with our discussion on customer centricity. Having a good marketing strategy is great. Having a good sales team is awesome. But asking the right question is priceless. The key to a great business model is this: find a hot market. Ask people in the market what they really want. Give it to them. That's it. All great business understand this. For a restaurant or a hotel, it can be about taking a great review by customers, and for product manufacturers, it can be taking a good survey. It is all about enhancing the customer experience and in both their product and services, instead of highly emphasizing on the sales and marketing strategy. So, why being a customer-centric entity is so important? This is because nothing is more important than earning profits. Growth and revenue is something which ensure the continuity of a business. That is the reason why it is necessary to know what actually drives profit. It is the happy customers who actually drive profit in your business. There is a high probability that your customers are happy. They are more likely to suggest your product and services to their network, thus helping your brand to grow through the referrals or through word of mouth. Being customer-centric not only helps you to build great products, but also maximize the number of customers. If you are a customer-focused organization, then your team always stick to their goals of serving the customers with best of their services. In this way, the company starts building quality products and services and meets all the customers' requirements. Being a customer-centric organization is more of a trend now. So, are you all set for becoming a next customer-centric organization? The right customer service tool at your reach, along with a team of dedicated professionals, can help you to move in the right way. So, gear up to bring in more customers to your business and be the next unicorn organization popularly known for being customer-centric. So folks, if you want to comment anything on customer-centric or have any other point in your mind, I want to know about it. Let us know how you think about it and what worked for you. Please share your ideas with me and with our audience in the comment section. Please share this video with any of your friends or colleagues who are either an entrepreneur or in the process of becoming one. This video might help them to succeed faster. If you are an entrepreneur, startup, businessman, or someone associated with tech industry, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We discuss a lot about the problems startup and entrepreneur face and what are the best ways to deal with them. Please like and share this video and spread the message. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.